Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for 23rd September 2025, Nifty index opened negative and attempted recovery in the first hour and saw a bounce till 25,330 zones, but failed to hold for the rest of the day and dipped towards 25,150. The index reflected a cautious approach after the recent gains, which made the upside gap. It formed a small body candle on the daily frame and closed with losses of nearly 120 points. It closed near its lower band of the day and started to form lower highs, lower lows on the daily frame, but major trend is intact to positive. India VIX was down by around 6% to 10.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.72. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,700 to 25,700, while immediate range is in between 25,000 to 25,400. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,792 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,434 crores. FIIs indexed long-short ratio slightly increased to 13.3%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold about 25,200 for the next up move towards 25,500, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 25,000 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for the next up move towards 56,000 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Adani Green Energy, Adani Energy Solution, HUDCO, Adani Enterprise, NPCC, Muthoot Finance, Manappuram Finance, Ambuja Cement and Polycab. While some weakness could be seen in Coforge, Mphasis, K-Fintech, Tata Technologies, Titan, TCS and BSC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.